I'm going to jump down because you know what? We've been doing a lot of talking, which is
I
great,
know, right?
which is really cool. But I want to just get started with the workshop. Um, so first things first, depending on where you are, since I'm doing this on my own, I created an AWS account. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a workspace. We use Cloud9. Cloud9 is a cloud interactive development environment. Um, it will we'll see in real time. Um, but it's really nice. It's built in the AWS console. Um, all your state is saved in Cloud9. So, for me, it's very common. I'll develop on one computer and then I'll move to another computer, and I don't have to worry about my IDE being local, not having my changes, having to pull from Git. I just open up Cloud9 and it's all there. So, what we're going to do is create a Cloud9 instance. So, I'm in the management console here. So, I'm just going to paste and go. So, we're going to go to create environment. I'm going to name it ECS Workshop. And one thing that's I think fun to discuss is everything I'm doing in the console here can all be done via an API call, via CloudFormation. So I could build these interactive development environments automatically through CloudFormation if I wanted to. But for the sake of getting comfortable with the console, we're doing it here. So I created with all the default settings, and also nice setting, cost savings. After 30 minutes of inactivity, it's going to shut down, so I don't pay for the instance running in real time, which
Very
is
nice.
which is cool. I'm a big fan of when you're not using it, shut it down. I like to see infrastructure get a little wacky and things get killed. I like chaos engineering. I think it's fun and it helps to build stability in your environments. You have to learn from these, right?
Totally. Well, one thing about Cloud9 that while this is coming up, that as far as shutting down goes, though, that I think is pretty awesome. It's almost like it doesn't shut down because when it comes back up, it has every file still open that you had open. You just pick right back up where you left off. So
Yeah.
I tested it and I left a process running, and sure enough, the process did shut down, but when it came back up, the process resumed running again. So it does go away, but it picks right back up. So that's really
Yeah.
cool. It's not like just shutting down an EC2 instance.
Exactly. Exactly. So